right, Praisers and Savers, this was an awesome shopping trip at Kroger, and I can't believe it because I walked in and I thought, oh, I'm not gonna get anything good. I only have like 2 or 3 things on my list. Turns out I was totally wrong. So I saved like, I think $85, $90, I'm not sure. But watch the video, check it out. It is amazing. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and then show me some love in the comments and also share with your friends.
What I'll tell you guys about at Kroger were these Febreze plugins. There is a P&G coupon that came out today, Sunday, May the 30th. If you bought one, you get it for free up to a $3 value. And at Kroger, they're $3.19. They are totally out, so I'm not getting this at all. But try a Dollar General, Walgreens, CVS, those stores, and see if you can catch these if you don't have Metro Store.
This is an insane moneymaker for my IBOTTA. So red wine is ringing up on the IBOTTA app. If you buy any red wine, it's $5 back in rebates. Well, I don't need that right now, but I do use this red wine vinegar a lot. I put it on different foods, Brussels sprouts, so that'll make it a $3.01 moneymaker if I do the red wine vinegar. You don't have to do that. You can do the Kroger brand. The Kroger brand, the red wine vinegar, is $1.69. So this is even more moneymaker. So that'll be $3.31 moneymaker if you do this red wine vinegar. And you don't have to do that. You can do like a red wine, like a cooking red wine. If I see it anywhere. I know there's just like a red one that you can cook with. Where's it at? Here it is. This is the red cooking one. It's $1.99. You can get this, and that will be a $3.01 moneymaker. But I'm going to get this because this is what I generally use. So a $3.01 moneymaker on that red wine. It's not something that we eat in our house, but I did see this on the Ohio Valley couponer, which is Nick, and he talked about how this deal was $5.99, and there is a $2 principal coupon if you sign up, and there's also a coupon, not coupon, but I bought a rebate. So I'm not getting this because it's not something we eat, but I'm going to print this coupon off, and I'm going to leave this for somebody who does eat these. I follow the Kroger crazy lady, and she's pretty amazing. And so she said that there was some snack packs for $1.49, and there was a $1 off digital coupon on the app. And I'm looking, I'm getting frustrated because I see all this $1.99 snack packs. Well, then all of a sudden I look up and they're at the very top. They're kind of hiding away. So these are the big boxes of snack packs, and they're even cheaper than these because like that's a 4-pack and that's $1. That's it. And then this is a 6-pack and that's $1.99. Well, looking up, this is a 12-pack for $1.49. So these are even cheaper. Plus, there's a $1 off coupon, which makes these 49 cents each. So I'm going to be picking up a pack of these for my kiddos for 49 cents. Alright guys, you know me. If I'm not getting the Pringles deal that comes out almost every other week, I'm getting the Goldfish deal. So these are 99 cents. My kids love these. Plus, they go great in blessing bags. So you don't need any coupon. No coupons needed for this. So got a really great deal on this Deer Park water. We like the small little waters for the kids so they don't waste the big bottles. They're on sale for $2.49. I have a $1 off. So this is a new product from Blue, I guess it's called Blue Buffalo or Blue, dog and cat food. And when you have new products, a lot of times there is a high value coupon out there for those products to get you to buy them. Now, here is the deal on these. These are 99 cents, or you can get the ones that are a little bit larger and they're $1.29. I am going to get the smaller ones because I don't know if my cat will like these. So 99 cents. There is a $1 off coupon when you buy 2 of the Blue Tastefuls. So that's going to make each can of cat food 50 cents. So going to be $2 when you buy both and using that $1 off coupon. Another high value coupon that I got. I don't know when I got this coupon. I've had it, I guess, but it doesn't expire till July. So I haven't had that long, but these are the Fancy Feast trays. And again, it's a new item. It says look what's new. They're $1.10. And so I'm going to use this BOGO coupon, buy one, get one free. So picking up 2 trays for $1.10. Now I have 4 coupons, and the coupon says that you can use 4 of the same coupons in the transaction, but you can only use 3 at Kroger. So I'm actually going to pick up 6 of these trays,
and that's going to be $3.30 using 3 of these coupons. It's a really great deal on the Big Soleil. They're $5.49. There's a $4 off coupon on the Kroger app, additional coupons. So this will make these $1.49. So just clip that coupon. Easy deal. $1.49, taking off those $4. It's a high value coupon. Awesome deal. There is a Big Soleil 4 count that's $6.49, and I'm showing you the Big Soleil 3 count. That's $5.49, and also that one right there works as well. The Big Soleil 3 count, the orange one and the purple one. Is it 3 count? No, it's 4 count. Oh, I see what it is. It's 3 razor blades, but it's a 4 count. 3 razor blades, it's a 4 count, but the higher one is 4 blades and it's a 3 count. So that's a better deal no matter what you do, getting the one that's $5.49 with a $4 off. My gosh, y'all. Okay, so I always scan any items I have in my IBOTTA app just to make sure there's no IBOTTA rebates, and I noticed that there is a Chic Extreme 3s are on the IBOTTA app for a $3 rebate. So they're $5.49, $3 rebate, which makes them $2.49, but this deal is where you can do 2 packs. So you can get back $3 on here, $3 on here. But if you do that, you get the bonus, which is $1 back. So let's do the math. So it's $5.49 plus $5.49, which is essentially $11. Getting back $3 and $3, that's $6. And then with the bonus, you get back another $1, that's $7. So $11 worth of razors, you're getting back $7 in IBOTTA rebates. Amazing. I'm picking up some of these because I'm making gift baskets for my dad and my grandpa for Father's Day. I'm making like a little Nivea basket because I got a lot of Nivea products, so I'm also going to get these for only $2. Wow. Almost every other week, either the Suave is for $1 or the Lady Speed Sticks. The small ones are $1, and I like to get these for my blessing bag, so I'm going to pick up 5 of these in the women's for Suave, going over here to the men's. And then I'm going to pick up some of the Speed Sticks for the men. So I like to pick up these just to throw in the blessing bags for people. I am at Kroger clearing shelves off, and that's okay. So the soft soap, hand soap, we haven't seen really good deals on things like cleaning products, salt, and hand soap, and tissue in such a long time. So I'm going to stock up. Now these are $1.49. There is a rebate on IBOTTA for 50 cents back. So this makes these 99 cents each. There's a limit of 5 on here. So I'm getting 5 they're actually large, like large hand soaps, 49 cents, because look at this, that's the smaller one, and those even cost more. So because it is a new product, these are like the paraben free and all that stuff, they are on sale. So $1.49 at Kroger, 50 cents back on IBOTTA, getting 5 of those because it's a limit of 5, making them 99 cents. No coupons needed on this either. These are on Suave. On IBOTTA, they're 99 cents each. There's a rebate back on IBOTTA for 50 cents. So you're going to pay 49 cents each for these bottles of body wash. This is a limit of 5, so you can pick up all 5 for 49 cents each. And so I'm going to pay less than $2.50 for 5 bottles of women's body. Again, on that IBOTTA, it is 99 cents for the Suave for men, and there's a 50 cents back rebate on IBOTTA. You can do this deal 5 times, which makes these 49 cents each. So getting all 5 body washes for less than $2.50. Great deal. On sale again for $2.99. There is a coupon on the app, additional coupon for $4 off when you buy 2. So you're getting both of these for $6 and a $4 off coupon, which makes them $2, $1 per bottle. I'm a teacher, and I went to my box this week, and I had a whole stack of these coupons in there, and these are so good, and I was very thankful for the person that sent them, but I have no idea who that was. Thank you to whoever you are, I don't know. So they are on sale for $2.99, and then I have a $2 off coupon, which makes each box 99 cents. So if you still have some of these $2 off coupons, please use them up. They expire. I love those P&G coupons that came out today. So these toothbrushes, the Oral-B Vivid, are $1.99, and there is a $1 off coupon that came out. Now usually you can use 3 of the same coupons at Kroger in the same transaction, but with P&G there are limits, so this one is a limit of 2. So I'm going to be picking up 2 toothbrushes for $1 each. This is exactly why we coupon and stock up. These Pringles are $1.99. No thank you. If they're not 99 cents, I am not getting them. Not a good deal at all. Hey guys, I always fill up my car after I leave Kroger because I use my points because gas is so expensive. But anyway, so just left Kroger. I think my total was like $117 with my digital coupons, my paper coupons, my IBOTTA rebates, and my Fetch rebates. I only paid $35. Oh my gosh, that is so good. I cannot believe it. So this is amazing. I did mess up a little bit on the Suave women's body wash. I don't know why it didn't come off. It was supposed to come off. It was 50 cents a bottle. It didn't come off on the IBOTTA. I don't know what happened. I'm not gonna stress about it. It's still 99 cents a bottle, and that's still a great deal for my blessing bags. So I am so excited about that. So also, I usually don't talk about Fetch in my videos because some things can be hit and miss, but I'll show you a picture. I got 5,000 points on my Fetch, and that's $5 in Fetch rewards. So I'll be getting those gift cards. And I usually try to use my gift cards for Walmart. Checking my gas real quick. Still going there. There was some on the Suave body wash and also on the Kotex and some other things I'm not too certain about. Praisers and Savers, this was an amazing haul. Everything was $117 and I only spent $35 with coupons, digital coupons, and app rebates. So let's kind of go over what we have here. So first thing I want to talk about is this red wine vinegar. This was a $3.01 moneymaker using that $5 red wine cashback offer on IBOTTA. So got that out of the way. Now, of course, these goldfish were 99 cents. I always get the goldfish or the Pringles when they come out each week. So 99 cents, no coupons needed for the goldfish. The Tresemme, these were $2.99, so $6 for both. And there's a $4 off, $2 on the app. So you can just use the app. You don't need to clip any coupons for this. Make them $1 each. The Suave body washes are 99 cents. There's a 50 cents IBOTTA rebate on the app, making these less than $2.50. Same thing with the Suave men's. They were 99 cents as well. There's a 50 cents IBOTTA rebate on the app, making these less than $2.50 as well. The soft soap was $1.49. So this made this a really good deal because there was a 50 cents rebate on the app as well. So made these 99 cents. The snack pack were $1.49 for the 12 box. Look up high because that's where I found these. There's a $1 off digital coupon on the Kroger app. The Deer Park water, these were $2.49. I had a $1 coupon on coupons.com, which made these $1.49 each. The Fancy Feast, I got 6 of those because you can only use 3 coupons that are alike, and these were BOGO, buy one, get one free. They were $1.10, so I got each one for, how much, 60 cents? Nope, 55 cents, 55 cents. These Tastefuls were, I think, 99 cents. And I had a $1 off coupon for 2 on coupons.com. So that made these less than 50 cents each. These were only 99 cents or maybe $1. I think these were $1. These were 99 cents each. No coupons needed. Great for blessing bags. These were $1.99. I had a $1 off coupon. You can only use 2 light coupons of these in the same transaction. So brought this down to 99 cents. There is a coupon for $4 off on the Kroger app. They were $5.29, so brought this down to $1.29. These are also $5.29. There's a $3 rebate on IBOTTA. You can do this deal twice. And also, there is a deal where if you do it twice, you get an additional $1 back. So I got these for less than, I think, $2. That's right, $2 for these. There's still You by Kotex coupons out there. So I think this was, $2.99. And the coupon was for $2 off, making these 99 cents. So that was everything I got today. $117 worth of stuff for $35. Don't forget to submit your rewards app for Fetch as well because the Suave came off on that, and also the You by Kotex.